gonna do that like that. Hey, it's your girl Jen and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you guys are gonna be learning more about me. I hope that makes you guys excited. Okay, I'm gonna be telling you guys, I'm gonna be doing a Q&A today to inform you guys more so about, you know, me. Get a little personal. We're gonna get a little personal. We're gonna get a little personal, you know. If you guys want to know more about me, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first question is, do you remember your first makeup item? So I believe my first cosmetic item was lashes. My first thing was lashes because let's see, for prom I had my first pair of lashes. I regretted the crap out of them. No, mascara. You know what? We're gonna go with that. Honestly, I don't know. I want to say lashes because I used to just literally wear lashes with Carmex on my lips. Like, she's popping, she's glossy, all that ain't. Okay, so it says describe your perfect mascara. I think honestly my perfect mascara will give me the voluminous lashes that are a part of my collection. Hello, brag about a lash cow. If you don't know, now you know. Ew. These are the lashes I actually have on now. So get into that, lady. Boom. But yeah, my perfect mascara will give me pretty much the most voluminous lashes, but I know that's pretty much not, it's not gonna happen, but I'm okay with it. So yeah, just to let you guys know, that's my perfect mascara. Okay, so it says what cosmetic brand that you wanted to try but still haven't. I want to say Natasha Denona, and it's because those pigments are serious. Like, I'm gonna give her that. Those pigments are serious, but that price is too a little too serious because I can't see myself paying over $100 for a palette if it's not like over 100 colors. So yeah, I'm gonna try you, Natasha, though. Don't get me wrong, girl. I'm just gonna have to wait till it's one day where I feel like I can just go ahead and ball out on one item straight. So next up is, what's your favorite drugstore makeup? Mine's is, I don't think e.l.f. is drugstore because of the fact that, no, they could be drugstore because you can find them in drugstore. So it's e.l.f., it's NYX. NYX is kind of at the bottom of the list though. So it's e.l.f., it's NYX, and it's also, I want to say Maybelline. I like Maybelline because that foundation, okay, honey? That foundation, true match. True match. True match. You really truly match me, okay? I love it. And on those days, I feel like I get the, oh, your face look flawless on those days. So the fact that it's drugstore instead of, you know, them high brands, and which I do have also, then I don't know, I give much respect. Y'all good. Y'all good in Jen's book. So the next question is, do you wear fake eyelashes? Come on. I've built a whole company off of fake eyelashes. They're 100% mink lashes, but yeah, I love fake lashes. Hola, como esta? So the next question is there any makeup you can't leave the house with? So I want to say a lippy. And I would say Bite Cosmetics because Bite Cosmetics is long lasting, it's all natural, and it's so bomb, and that's the only lipstick that does not dry up on my face and looks nasty. I want to also say a pair of lashes and a highlighter. I'll take my Hourglass highlighter stick because when I tell you, it looks like skin melt on your natural face. It's like a subtle glow on top of makeup, but on your face, it's like, you know, the lights. The next question is gonna really play my, like, really try to play me out there, but it's how often do you shop for makeup? So that's a question that pretty much any and everybody has always wanted to know when it comes to me. So if there was a, you know, a time limit within the time that I did not buy makeup, it will probably be within a week to 2 week base. I think within a week to 2 weeks is the most I've ever worn without buying makeup since I really became an enthusiast. Just to let you guys know, I just bought some more stuff. It's all new stuff, so you guys are gonna see me hit it up on my face to show you guys if y'all want it or no. Hola, ¿cómo estás? So it says, do you have a beauty budget? Okay, so I don't know if you can really put a budget on your beauty, honestly. I just feel like I know that, okay, since that's new and it's a new concealer, I know I got a million concealers at home. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna wait until like at least 2 or 3 concealers are almost down, and then I'll try that one. Other than that, if it's not something new that's booming, it's no use. So the next question is, do you utilize coupons, reward cards, and sales when you shop for cosmetics? Who don't? Who don't? Please inform me as to who don't. I have a beauty insider. I have the ultimate reward card. What else? Like, who don't? I have to, because I buy so much makeup, okay? I like to try stuff. And who doesn't need a rewards? Like, you get free stuff, you get free samples, you get free a lot. Do you have a favorite place to shop for your makeup? Of course. My favorite place is Morphe. No, I'm just playing. But my favorite place is Morphe because their palettes, do you see this? Are you catching this? On fleekity fleek. Morphe's, oh. Morphe is bomb. So that's my favorite place to shop. Okay, so the next question is, do you like to try skincare or do you keep a certain routine? So I'm gonna have to show you guys my routine. Okay, so yeah, my routine is pretty easy. My routine is pretty much keep your skin clean. It says, what brand do you think has the best packaging? Okay, so back in the days, I used to think NARS was it legit because it was just so like nice. Like, it was just like, oh, okay, you know, you can pull that out your purse and like bougie. If you could only buy one brand, what brand would it be? Okay, so if I could only buy one brand, like off top without really thinking about anything, that's hard. I want to say Morphe, but Morphe doesn't have like liquid foundations. When they get liquid foundations, it's definitely going to be Morphe. Morphe is going to pretty much be the answer to most of these questions because I am a Morphe girl. I am a Morphe babe. Oh, yeah. Okay, but yeah, so Morphe. Okay, it says, which celebrity do you think has like the best makeup? Okay. She be having like the best like eyeshadows too. Pretty much she be having good eyeshadow inspo. I'm gonna give that to her. Black China, I'm giving that to you. That eyeshadow be shapoppin'. So the next question is 5 beauty gurus that you absolutely love. This is gonna be hard, but we're gonna always start off with Jackie Aina. Sarai. Hello, Sarai. Desi, I'm here for you, girl. I'm trying to say Shayla, but it just can't roll off my tongue quick enough for the finger. Okay, so we're gonna do no tea, no shade. I'm just gonna put you there. You're gonna get that 4th finger. You deserve it, that 4th finger. I'll be looking at your eyeshadows, girl. And we're just gonna say Jackie Aina again because I just love Jackie Aina. Who does not love that energy she brings? Like Jackie. So it says, do you like multifunctional products? Honestly, sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. It says like lip stains and lippy and cheek stains. I don't know if I can do that. So it says, do you use makeup base or primer for the eyes? Okay, so if you guys have watched my videos in the past, then you would notice that I really don't use any bases. I mean, I have a base coming in the mail for you guys so that I can try that out for you guys because I've been wanting one. I just didn't know which one to get, so it's coming out. Might as well review it and let me know if I can use it. But I don't. I use concealer or the foundation already, and I'm gonna stop. I just choked on a spit. Oh, that Okay, so shout out to Lazur in Inglewood, California. It says, do you use hair products? How many hair products do you use on a daily? On a typical day, none. This hair is either like this or up in a ponytail. I do not use anything. When I wash it, that's a whole different story. What do you apply on first, concealer or foundation? So it depends. If I want to color correct like my under eyes, and which I really don't do, then I will use a concealer before I put on my foundation, because I will have to conceal the color corrector before, you know. So yeah, that's what I do. Okay, so it says, what do you love about makeup? So going through a trying time in life, you tend to try to keep your mind busy, and you try to do things that make you happy from that point on. So what I did was I got into makeup, and I felt like it was one of the best choices. Yeah. I love makeup because it's therapeutic to me, and I feel like I feel so much better once I'm made up. I mean, I'm still cute without makeup, don't get me wrong, okay? But still, it's just like feeling that extra confidence on top of the confidence I have without it. Hola, come on, Isla. So that was the last question of the night, and I hope you guys like my video. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about the girl in front of the camera. I hope you guys really do like my content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below letting me know what you guys want to see, letting me know what you guys want me to do for you. If you guys love makeup, if you guys are beginners and you guys want to learn more about certain things when it comes to makeup, how to beat your face, girl, how to beat your face, then let a thug know, okay? Let a G know. Alright, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below letting me know how y'all felt about these questions and these answers. And if you guys want to answer these questions, answer them down below so I can see and learn more about you guys who are watching the girl in front of the camera. Alright? So I will talk to you guys later, and thank you for tuning in.